Hi all. Today we are going to cover a latest or most important topic in the process model that asking in the interview question mainly. Like we are going to cover send message event and receive message event. The node, if you want to kill the particular task, we use send message event and receive message event. So let's do what we can create. So we have to create a process model first. Create a process model like what we are going to do, like PM1, and it task will be killed by another task. So we name it as a killed task, like killed task, and let's create it. Okay, and what did this process instance will do? Like click on the save button and land on a particular process and process model. What we do here is click and just drag and drop a user input task UIT and fix the assignment with the process initiator, and you don't need to do anything with the any other configuration, because we are going to just check that particular receive messages or end message event is work or not. So here what we do, we have to drag the receive message and connect it to the end node. Here what we do, we have to create this end node as a terminate node, because what we do here is we want to kill that particular task. So if the if we did not make this as a terminate node, so we did not kill that task. The task will be end, but the active task will not end. So that's why we are using the terminate event here. And let's save and publish, and let's debug it. So we have to wait for it. Let's debug it. By this debugging, what happened, like we have to create on the process details and process node. So we have to get this process instance id. Let's copy it and close it. Like we have to make another process model that will kill that particular task PM2, and the is killer task. Okay, why we name it that killer task? Because this task will kill that particular task. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so we have to work on that particular killer task. We are use the send message event in that particular process model. Okay, so no, we don't have to need any configuration. We just have to click send message and drag and drop in the flow line. And let's set up the properties. Go to the data, and first we have to create a process model that store the process instance id that have copied by us in the previous process model. And process and process instance id, and it will be number integer, and the value will be passed by us here. Parameterize it and click ok. Okay, now we have to validate it. See, the destination is not fixed by us still, so we have to click on the event node and go to the data, and we have to use that particular pv here. Okay, click ok. Let's validate it. It's validating all the things and create on the save and publish here. And after save or publish, click, you have checked that particular process instance is, let's me remove all the old process instances. See, this process is still active, and we want to kill that process instance by using that particular process instance. Okay, let's debug it. And after debugging, you check that this process instance is completed it, and go to the process detail variable. They see this process instance id is provided by us. So what we do, we have to check that particular process instance and click on the refresh. See, this process instance is also completed. How it has happened, like this receive message, receive the process instance ID. See, process node current task, process history, we have to receive message completed. Okay, this receive message event get the process instance ID from that send him message, and redirect it to the terminate node. So that's process instance will be deleted or killed. So these type of the send message or receive message event will be used. You can use by using uh, the any other nodes as well as. And so there's a question. If you have any question or any doubt, comment in the comment section below, and let's wait for another updates. Okay, for now it is done for all today. Okay, thank you guys.